Hi, class. This is the plan for today. You guys are going to be watching this video and are going to be working on my Spanish lab based on the topic we're going to study now, which is the verbs ir, hacer, and estar. And these are our learning objectives. At the end of this class, we'll be able to make plans to do something with someone, ask questions, describe how someone is doing and where they are or will be. The verbs are three, as I said, ir, hacer, and estar. We have a faith integration piece that I posted on Moodle. The video for the day is there. So I'm hoping that as part of your prayers, you include it there. Please pray for our university, for wisdom to the leaders of our university and of this country, and for the ones who are in need around the world. Back to the plan de día. Chicas and chicos, let's begin with these verbs. First one is the verb ir. The verb ir means to go, but it's a very flexible verb in the language that expresses different ideas and is included in formulas that help us explore other ideas, such as the only future tense that you'll learn this semester in that formula. But let's go with the conjugation. Yo voy, tú vas, él, ella, usted va, nosotros, nosotras vamos, vosotros, vosotras vais, ellos, ustedes van. As you are able to see, this is a very irregular verb. It changes completely. Okay, so voy, vas, va, vamos, vais, and van. There is a first idea that the verb to go or ir help us communicate. And it needs to express that you are going to a place, that you go to a place. See, and the formula is obviously our subject doing the action. The action is ir, to go, so ir will be conjugated. Then the preposition a and a place. See, the place needs the article, and the preposition bends, contract with the masculine singular one. So let's see this example. Yo voy a la farmacia, you see, subject, ir, plus a, plus place. Tú vas al centro comercial. This is the case where centro comercial needs the article el, el, and that's why we see it, that we have this contraction. A plus el equals al. So tú vas al centro comercial. Él va a la universidad. Ella va a la universidad. Usted va a la universidad. Nosotros vamos al centro con. Nosotras vamos al centro con. Vosotros vais al edificio West. Vosotros o vosotras vais al edificio West. Ellos van a la oficina del doctor Con. Ellas van a la oficina del doctor Con. Or ustedes van a la oficina del doctor Con. So in this case, we are expressing the places we go to. And this formula helps us communicate that idea. The second piece is subject, is the formula, this formula that you guys see here. Subject, the verb ir, which is obviously conjugated, and we see it in red. The preposition a, meaning to, and then infinitive. In English, the equivalent is I am going to, I'm sorry. In English, the idea is I am going to work. Like you have it here. Yo voy a trabajar. This combination helps us express future. See? So, tú vas a ir al gimnasio. Él va a comer. Ella va a comer. Usted va a comer. Nosotros vamos a hacer la tarea. We're going to go to do the homework. Vosotros vais a descansar. Ellos, ellas van a ver televisión. So if you ask, ¿qué van a hacer ustedes? They would answer this. And they would conjugate ir and then insert the preposition plus the action that they are going to do. Let's have this mini conversation to help you understand. Okay? Adónde vas esta noche? He's asking where you're going to. What place are you going to tonight? ¿Sí? Yo voy al centro estudiantil PSSU. Es PCSU. And that's the first question. Huh? This conversation, you have the question and asking about the place where you're going to. Second question says, ¿qué vas a hacer? What are you going to do there? ¿Qué vas a hacer en el PCSU? And the answer is, voy a conversar con mis amigos. Voy a conversar con mis amigos y voy a estudiar español. I'm going to talk with my friends and I'm going to study español. ¿Sí? And this is a different one. ¿Vas a la biblioteca esta noche? And he says, no, no voy a la biblioteca. Yo voy a mi dormitorio. Voy a estudiar. So you can tell that with these two formulas, ir plus a plus place or is ir plus a plus infinitive, you are able to communicate what you are going to do and where you are headed, where you are going to, what place you are visiting. See? And that's it for the verb ir. It'll help you express your plans. It'll help you to express what places you are visiting, what places you are going to. Hacer is our second verb. And let's see what happens in terms of structure to this verb. See, hacer is to do or to make. And it's a verb that we use a lot to ask questions. ¿Qué vas a hacer? ¿Qué hiciste? In all the tenses, hacer will be the verb, as the same way that the verb to do is in English. What do you do? What you will do? Things like that. Let's see the conjugation. Yo hago, and we see an irregular yo form there. Tú haces, él, ella, usted hace. Nosotros hacemos. Vosotros hacéis. Ellos, ellas, ustedes hacen. ¿Sí? As I said, the first person is irregular. ¿Sí? Yo hago. And yes, we have to memorize it that way. Remember, yo tengo. Here you have one that is similar. Yo tengo, and here yo hago. Now, when do we use it? We use when you are asked a question, you use hacer. See? But in the question, you're gonna see hacer. You're not gonna see hacer in the response because you're gonna replace it. And here we have a typo. So you hear the question, Ricardo, ¿qué haces aquí? Haces, it'll be in the question, but it'll be replaced by the actual action in the answer. So we say, busco un libro para mi clase. See? You don't need hacer anymore in the answer because it's been replaced by busco. Hacer is also used in various idiomatic expressions. And here we have hacer una pregunta, ¿sí? Ask a question. Hacer un viaje, to go on a trip. Hacer la tarea, to do the homework. Hacer ejercicios, exercise, or to work out. Hacer el trabajo, to do the job, to work. Hacer la comida, to cook or prepare the food. Hacer una fiesta, to throw a party. And there are more, like to take a nap, hacer una siesta. It's the same thing as fiesta, but spelled with S, initial S. There are more, but these ones are gonna be enough for our level, see? Notice that we don't do the same things in English when we communicate these ideas with with hacer. Look at that. To throw a party, we say hacer una fiesta, okay? Next. The verb estar. ¿Sí? The verb estar, we have been using it. ¿Cómo estás tú? Yo estoy bien. ¿Dónde está la profesora? La profesora está en this building. ¿Dónde está Lee University? Lee University está en Cleveland, Tennessee. We have been using está a lot. And two of the cases that I just mentioned in those examples are temporary condition. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Sí? Estoy bien. O ¿dónde estás? Estoy en la clase. Location. Let's go. Let's go with the conjugation. Estar has a yo form for estoy. Yo estoy. Tú estás. Pay attention to those accent marks because there are other versions of this word that is spelled the same way, but they don't need the accent mark and they mean something different. Él está, ella está, usted está. Nosotros estamos, vosotros estáis, ellos, ellas, ustedes están. ¿Sí? There you have it. Estoy, estás, está, estamos, estáis, están. ¿Sí? We have to memorize these conjugations of those three verbs. But we have been using them these 7 weeks that we have been together. Now, when do we use estar? When we are talking about a temporary changeable mood, condition, or state. Pedro está casado. Yeah, we would hope that to be married is a permanent condition, but it's not. It's a temporary condition. See? Long, might be long, or some other cases short, divorce does exist. It's a reality, so it makes it temporary. Pedro está casado. Las chicas están contentas. I would use happy here, but it carries more that temporary condition, temporary meaning, idea in its meaning. So the girls are content, and that goes for están. Muy bien. And an exceptional, unusual condition or a complement. ¿Sí? Sarita tienes 8 años, estás muy grande. So she's exceptionally big, and she looks big, and she is being praised for that. ¿Sí? It's a compliment. Carlos, no hay examen hoy. ¿Estás loco? Carlos, and I miss an S there. There isn't an exam today. You are crazy. So that is an exceptional condition. See? And that's what we cover about estar. See? Another one is to express location. And you guys are familiar with this. Location of a place, location of a person, location of things. So la librería está cerca. La librería está cerquita. La librería está cerca del centro con. ¿Sí? Guadalajara está lejos de Cancún. Location, location, location. So the main cases in which we use estar are temporary condition, state or mood, and location. And we have been using them in this class. ¿Cómo estás tú? Yo estoy bien. Yo estoy fabuloso. Yo estoy mal. See? So we use that one. And so far, hasta aquí, we have covered the topics we needed for today. See? And I hope that this was clear enough and gives you lights on what we have to study. I'll see you on Friday, and we'll go over more about this. Now, please go to my Spanish lab and complete these exercises. And remember, it's during class time. Dawson will be paying attention and monitoring your progress there from the office. Thank you very much. Have a nice night. And have a nice class online. Bye-bye.